Hello everyone, this is Dale Nguyen from Gypsy Way. Today's subject is about the trimmer and how to replace the trimmer lines when you don't have time or don't have a store that is close around or don't have a transportation to get the wheel cord. And you're in the middle of a project and this afternoon you have a picnic party and your boss or your soulmate or your husband, your wife give you assignments and you unfinished business. So if you don't have this in hand and you can't get to the store, I found an alternative ways to use it. For those who do fishing, they should have some strings, or for me, I'm a tennis player. Our strings usually breaks about once every 4 to 6 weeks or so, depending on how much we play. Instead of tossing it away, I cut them and I save the string. And the string of the tennis is almost the same material, or sometimes even harder, and the size of it is almost the same. So I thought, you know what? I need to finish the projects. Honey do this, honey do that. If I want to sleep in a house, or they'll be sleeping in a garage or so. Well, anyway, I have a perfect place to sleep right here. I got a blanket here, but I don't want to do that. So to finish my projects, this is how I do it. So I have a trimmer here, right? I'm gonna take this out. It's in here. Halfway through my job, the cord or the string, it's already gone. So I'm going to use this, basically cut this out, tuck it in here, and we're going to roll this baby in. Tuck in this hole. In here, this hole. Measure that. Cut it. Now it's good. So basically, we use the tennis string rackets to do it. Give me 1 second. I want to put the battery. We'll see if it works. So here we go. This is the, I guess, wireless Gypsy trimmer. We'll see if it works. There we go. Thank you for watching, and if you can finish the job, your partner, your husband, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend will be happy. This is Dale from Gypsy Way. Thank you for watching.